How can your business start pulling and increase profits within days? How can you attract hundreds and thousands of visitors to your site? How can you build a massive, sustainable business? How can you do all of this without doing anything at all? By unleashing an SEM team to implement powerful, proven strategies that will put your business at the fingertips of thousands. SEO-Voyage.com is the guaranteed solution for the experienced marketer as well as the newbie. Many times, experienced marketers don't get the time to drive traffic as well as the newbies, who are totally unaware of the process. We present solutions to help both groups. Search engine marketing is like a cycle. Know who your prospects are, what information they require to wave this information in front of them, get them to your website, and finally convert them into customers. To attract traffic, one must be clear about what information is your ideal prospect looking for. What is your ideal customer's profile? Where does your ideal prospect hang out? How do you bait your prospect to visit your online business? How do you establish a relationship and keep your customer coming back? Whether you are a skilled marketer or a new player in the game, once these things are established and understood, the outcome becomes more profitable. However, time is also considered as one of the key focus. The problem is it takes hours of baiting and interacting on places like Twitter, Facebook, and other social networking sites. This issue can be solved through a system called SEM Management System. SEM Management System consists of SEM Manager, profiling prospects, competition, and identifying ideal prospect pools within minutes. SEO Manager, comparing website information against current requirements of ideal prospects and suggesting additional targeted keywords and optimized website structure. SEM Marketing, getting the sales message in front of qualified prospects that are looking for the product or service, again in minutes using traditional methods and the latest technology. SEM Management, metrics, monitor, track, and manage results on a daily basis, which allows quick response to non-performing channels and optimization of performing channels instantly. The ultimate aim is how to become a fully awake and dangerously effective player. How to sell, how to set up a profitable business. We solve your time and traffic problems by providing two types of solution packages for you. These packages help you to gain, profile prospects, competition, and identify ideal prospect pools. Analyze and optimize your website structure and keywords. Improve search engine ranking on Yahoo, Bing, and Google to page 1 of the SERPs. Build and maintain an SEO blog for your niche market with minimum 2 posts weekly. Capture subscriber information and manage an email marketing campaign. Manage your PPC, PPV, or CPA campaign to maximize cost efficiency and profitability. This is a totally customized solution depending upon your requirement. We understand your need and what exactly you want to run your business to make tremendous profits and get good volume of traffic. Grab this wonderful opportunity to make profits and grow. We are here to help you and achieve your goals.